Hello, I'm Bryce of Specialty Appliance. Everyone needs ventilation in their home, and sometimes that could be a trouble with the correct configuration, as in if we have high ceilings or if we want an open view. Enter downdraft. Any ventilation is better than no ventilation, so downdraft is a great opportunity for any situations where we have high ceilings, a cooktop in an island situation, and what's really great is when they're not in use, they're completely hidden away. Some cons to mention about the downdraft ventilation is it's not as effective as traditional ventilation, as the downdrafts have to pull the air horizontally, then duct them out, and not as a natural progression as most ventilation hoods take. Another one is the noise factor that they create, as the blower motor is directly right at our feet, so it's going to be noisier at initial usage. And the third con that I would say would be the factor that even though it is hidden away, most people do forget about these units, and the only time that they activate them is when it is too late. Thank you so much for your time today, and if you ever have any appliance questions, needs, please come visit us at Specialty Appliance. We could help you with any of your appliance needs in downdraft situations.